Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making this easy and simple low ponytail. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to see how I achieve this center part low ponytail, keep watching guys. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, before we get started, also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. So having said that, let's get started. So guys, I'm making use of this gold milk conditioner guys as my hair conditioner, and I'll go ahead to apply it on my natural hair. Okay guys, so I ensure that I apply the hair conditioner all over my natural hair guys. After that, I will go in with my hair oil, which is the coconut oil guys. And yes guys, I'll as well apply the coconut oil to my hair, to my natural hair, while massaging it as well. So guys, I'll go ahead to comb out my hair because I have like thick hair roots guys, and the root of my hair is very thick. Okay, I'm just trying to comb out my natural hair guys. Okay, making sure that there are no knots in it guys. And after that, I already center parted my hair, okay, which is very easy to do. So guys, I'll be making use of this Dashing Ella Elite hair gel guys. I'll go ahead to apply the hair gel to my natural hair guys because I want a sleek, cute center part low ponytail. Okay, yes guys, I just apply the hair gel onto my natural hair or to my natural hair guys. I applied like a generous amount of hair because my hair length is not that equal, as in the length of my hair are not the same. So guys, you know what I mean, I have like some hair cuts and others. So guys, I'm just applying the hair gel to my natural hair in order to lay my hair properly. After that, I'll go ahead with this brush, okay, in order to brush down and lay my hair, okay, with the hair gel properly guys, okay, in order to smoothen it out and yeah, slick it guys. So guys, I took my time in order to like comb it, making use of a hair brush, okay. I'm making use of a ponytail holder guys, and before I put my hair in a ponytail, I made use of some bobby pin guys, okay, because my hair lengths are not equal guys. There are some of my hairs that are shorter guys. I have to like make use of bobby pin in order to secure it or to make it to lay flat, okay. That's pretty what I did by the sides, okay. I added a little bit of I added some bobby pins, yes, not a little bit, to the both sides of my hair guys. And after that, making use of the ponytail holder, I went ahead to put my hair in a low ponytail or in a low bun. Yes, I went ahead to put my hair in a low bun, okay. And so guys, I went ahead applying some more hair gel to my natural hair, okay, in order to lay it properly, okay. So guys, after applying the hair gel, I'm going to allow my hair to lay or to dry. I'm going to like tie this little hair scarf guys, okay, where I go ahead to do my makeup, okay guys, before it dries, okay. And so guys, now I'm through with my makeup guys, and then we are back to the ponytail guys. We're about to finish the low ponytail, low center part ponytail guys. Yes guys, I took down the hair scarf, okay, and then I'll be making use of this chocolate human hair extension. It's in 14 inches and in color 1B guys. I'll be making use of like 2 packs of it. As you guys can see, I doubled it like this. I double the strand, and then I placed it on the bun, okay, on the low bun on my natural hair, guys, and then I'll start to roll it on the bun in order to make the ponytail, guys, okay, in order to achieve the low ponytail. Okay, so guys, I use the end part of the hair to roll around my bun in order to secure it, and then I went ahead to roll the rest of the hair on top of my hair bun. Okay, so guys, yes, that is how I achieve this center part sleek low ponytail, guys. And yes guys, after I pretty much roll the hair, you guys understand what I'm saying. The same way, guys, after rolling that, I went ahead making use of some bobby pin in order to put this hair extension in place, or to put the ponytail in place in order to secure it, guys. Okay, and yes, before I did that, I took the end of the hair extension and then roll it around in order to secure it. So guys, yeah, and then making use of some bobby pin, I pinned my hair down. Okay guys, I added a more bobby pin to my natural hair, or to the ponytail, guys. So guys, now I'll be going into the second pack of the hair, of the chocolate hair extension, guys, in order to, so that we could achieve like a full ponytail, guys, a full low ponytail. And I'm simply rolling it around my hair bun, or the hair bun. Okay, and so guys, you just need to like take your time in order to roll the hair extension to your bun, or in order to form the ponytail. So guys, when I got to the end, as you guys can see, I took some the remaining part of the hair in order to roll around the ponytail in order to secure it, and I'm making use of some bobby pin, guys. I pinned it down. Yes guys, I made use of enough bobby pins. Okay, and so guys, as you guys can see, the front part of my hair, okay, my hair there is not that quite full, guys. What I did was, okay, I took the black eyeshadow from my Morph 350 eyeshadow palette, guys. I use it in order to fill in those places, guys. So guys, we faked the edges. Okay, okay guys, I just applied the black eyeshadow there, okay, to my front hair, or to my baby hair, in order to lay it, guys. Not really lay it, in order to cover it up properly. And so guys, this is my little trick I do almost anytime I'm wearing ponytail. Okay, and so guys, after applying the eyeshadows there, making use of a beauty blender, guys, you want your front part of the hair to be smooth, guys. I went ahead to blend it all out, making use of a beauty blender. Just dab it in order to blend it out, okay, so that it won't look harsh. Okay, and so guys, after blending it out, guys, that is pretty much it on how to do a center part low ponytail, guys. So guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on how I achieve this makeup look here. Also check out my tutorial on a new video I uploaded on the a crochet hair tutorials, and also on a crochet fox lock tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Also follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.